My name is Jason and I'm a registered dietitian here at the Cincinnati VA Medical Center. Today, I'm here to show you a recipe that is easy and filling. This recipe is from our very own Healthy Teaching Kitchen. The recipe we're going to try out is Pinto Bean Burritos. Beans are an inexpensive source of protein and an excellent source of fiber. This recipe only has a few ingredients and is packed with fiber, protein, and flavor. Let's get started. Add 2 cans of drained and rinsed pinto beans to the already warm skillet. Next, we are adding 1 cup of medium salsa, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can substitute 1 to 2 garlic cloves in place of the garlic powder if you like. After we get all the ingredients in, we're going to stir the beans and we're going to keep the skillet on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the bean mixture is warm. Once the bean mixture is warm, we're going to grab 1 whole grain tortilla and we're going to place ½ a cup of the already warmed pinto bean mixture onto the whole grain tortilla. So ½ a cup, and then we're going to top it with 2 tablespoons of cheese. Once we have the cheddar cheese on top, we're going to fold it. And the most important part, we're going to enjoy it. Here's a recap on why we love this recipe. It's quick. Instead of driving through a fast food line, the recipe is ready in minutes. Also, choosing beans and whole wheat tortilla can keep you fuller longer. And lastly, it's versatile and tasty. You can adjust the recipe to your liking by adjusting the herbs and spices to any level. You can make your adjustments by adding lettuce or tomato or even another protein source such as chicken. For more information on our Healthy Teaching Kitchen classes, contact extension 6309. We hope to see you in the upcoming classes. Thank you for watching this video.